Hey friends, if you wish to put Google Calendar on desktop in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, interestingly, there is no app for Google Calendar and you can check it on the Microsoft Store. You can check it online. Okay, even if it was, they would have never shared it on the Microsoft Store. So here's what you can do. Go to Google and search for Google Calendar here. Okay. Now, the website is calendar.google.com. Go to this website on your Microsoft Edge browser, not any other browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select More Tools, Apps, and install this site as an app. Name it Google Calendar and click on Install. I suggest checking this box to create a desktop shortcut and then click on OK. Now you can access this app directly from the desktop. Okay. And or you can simply search for calendar. Okay. We'll just check if it was installed. We have to click on yes. Okay. Now it has been installed here. So you can access Google Calendar directly from here. And you can also search for it in the Windows search bar and open it from the Windows search bar. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.